In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your name here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And if we can help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, as you can see, this is my current Fortnite name, and if you want to change yours, you can't actually do it inside the game itself. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually close out of Fortnite completely, whether you're on PC, console, or mobile, and essentially on a secondary device or in a separate web browser. Go ahead and open up, any web browser and search up epicgames.com. Once you do search up epicgames.com, what you're going to want to do is sign into your Fortnite account up in the top right, and after you do sign in, simply select your Fortnite name and then scroll down and select account, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to see in the first account settings option an option to change your display name. Essentially select this pencil icon right next to it and change your display name just like so. You can really put whatever you would like in here. Just make sure after you do change your name that you tick off this little box that says you cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks after the change. Now, if it does mark it with red or something, that means that either violates Epic's community service or that means that name has already been taken. So just keep that in mind. You might have to adjust it accordingly. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. As soon as you go ahead and do that and back out and load back into Fortnite, you'll see that new name in place. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.